Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for always coming back. On today's episode, I will be making stir-fried palm oil rice. This is also my favorite. Oh yes. So today I'll be making stir-fried palm oil rice. So quickly, let's go right in. So I'll show you step by step on how I make my stirred palm oil rice. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for my recipe today. These are the few ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. Some portion of palm oil. Our onion goes in. How to stir this very well. Allow the onions fry a little while so it can release its aroma right inside the palm oil. Blended tomato, onion, and fresh pepper goes in immediately. I boiled this tomato, blended tomato and fresh pepper. Blended ginger and garlic goes in. Already boiled chopped beef, it's cow meat, chopped cow skin, dry fish, blended crayfish, seasoning, using 2 cubes of seasoning. Sprinkle this around. A little pinch of salt to taste. This will stir very well. Give this a very good mix so all the ingredients can sit in properly. I'll just leave this and allow this cook for just few minutes. See, our sauce is doing well. After leaving this for just few minutes, you can see how well this is doing right now. You see, the aroma is all over this place right now. All right, this is the point where I'll just go ahead and add my rice. Already boiled rice goes in. Your rice should be boiled going through this process. Green beans goes in. Mix very well. So just make sure you stir fry this very well so all the ingredients will just go around all the grains of the rice. You see how this is going right now? Your rice should be cooked before stir frying with your sauce. So I'll bring this to mix very well. Just stir fry this very well. I just want to make sure all the ingredients go around all the grains of the rice. See how yummy this looks already? This is looking so inviting. Can have this for lunch. Can have this for breakfast or dinner. The choice is yours. Already fried plantain goes in. Stir fry this very well. So you see how attractive and yummy this looks? So we made our palm oil stir-fried rice in just 2 easy steps. If you have that leftover stew, please do not throw it away. All right, we're not cooking this any further. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Turn on the notification post so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. From me, it's bye. Stay healthy, eat healthy. See you next week.